Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1 Blind Bots, I guess you just call it. So yes, it is made by Hasbro. Says Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1. And yes, these are actual, official Transformers. Don't know why they don't have an anime series yet, because there's Transformers anime, Transformers Rescue Bots Academy. There's been a lot of Transformers anime shows, but what about if they actually took one and they actually focused on purely mini-cons? That's what I would want to see, because we've seen mini-cons hundreds, thousands, dozens of times. Okay, maybe not that many times, but I guess if you consider Optimus Prime and his little buddy Rover, that came out of the trailer, which we only saw maybe in 2, perhaps 3 episodes in G1. I think maybe, I know that's not a minicon, but to the Transformers in scale size, and if we compare Rover's scale size to Bumblebee, which was the smallest Transformer at the time, not including cassette Transformers, which obviously were smaller than Bumblebee, but those cassette Transformers would not technically be considered a minicon, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But anyway, and then, when we had Transformers Armada was the actual minicons, that was pretty nice, okay? Because in the show, there was minicons, and then they actually came out with minicon toys for Transformers Armada. Nothing for Energon, which I think Armada should have some minicons could transform to Energon. Like Transformers Energon was kind of after Transformers Armada, before Transformers Cybertron. But yeah, if these did this, in anime, what would their scale size be for minicons? It would vary, because if one's gonna be, let's say, a cupcake, and the other's gonna be a backpack, obviously the backpack's gonna be way bigger than a cupcake. Now, how would it talk? I hope if they do decide to go with this, which I don't know why Hasbro did not decide to go with this, because they're so stupid not to do this, which would be a bit push in the right direction, I think, considering that they had a lot of Transformers, and some of them was not great. Transformers Power of Primes by Mishima, horrible. The worst Transformers. I would go watch Transformers GoBots or Watt Lords than that, okay? That's how garbage that Power of the Primes were. The first two, not that bad. Combine Wars and Times Return, I think was a little bit better than Combine Wars. Those were pretty good. Hopefully Netflix picks up the slack and goes with the first two again. Like that artwork style type of thing. And storytelling. Because I want to see another Power of the Primes story. Now, what is the fourth one going to be? We don't know yet, but I'm guessing since all these Transformers War for Cybertron Siege toys out, that's probably what the fourth one is going to be on Netflix. War for Cybertron Siege, which I wouldn't mind seeing it. I know Netflix kind of puts things together. I know some movies on Netflix were not that great. The Full Metal Alchemist movie, personally, I did not see it. It was there, but I didn't, actually watch it. Now, the Bleach movie, it was kind of okay, but the characters did not actually match up to the anime, and they only stopped like maybe 5 to 7 episodes in, and they chose random episodes to kind of make the movie. I think the movie should have been a lot longer. Now, what was kind of good was Death Note. I didn't really care too much for the new Netflix Death Note. That one, a lot more gore in there, but it was just, I'll have to say, more of a gore fest than anything else. Which, yes, I know, Death Note is supposed to be one of those horror / death, gore, anime type of things, but compared to the original free Death Notes that came out before the Netflix version of Death Note live action movie came out. The first original free live action Death Notes, which was sold in part 1, part 2, and then finally part 3. Fantastic. They actually told a story that was more like the anime, just seeing it in live action. This new one, they took some parts from the manga, some parts from the anime, put it together, put their own little spin on it, gore fest type of thing. I guess it's okay, but it wasn't quite true to the manga and to the anime. But yeah. Now, anyway, getting back to this. Yeah, hopefully, with these little fellas, they won't beep and bop and boop and, like R2-D2 language. They'll actually speak like actual, Transformer language. And if they don't want to, put it on Netflix, which I don't know why, because, that would be a pretty good, streaming system to go and pay for a subscription system to watch BOTBOTS. They could go to TransformersBotBots.com, their official website, and release it as web episodes, just like how Monster High released web episodes on, the website. They could definitely have a YouTube channel that releases, YouTube semi-web episodes, just like how Treasurettes does it. Why can't Transformers BotBots do it? Come on. Treasurettes, they always beat you to the punch, man. Hasbro. You gotta start thinking on ways to promote good stuff. None of that garbage stuff. But yeah, anyway, let's see what it shows. So, lift, punch, push. This is how you open it. Yep, let's see who we actually got in here. We have got him. Oh, this guy looks a little cool. Let's try to get the instructions out. Let's figure out who this little fella is. Okay, so he is from the Shedheads. That's what faction tribe he's from. He is the 1-star Slobberwot. And it says, "Woe is Druin Pebble Pup." So that's what Slobberwot is. I guess it's a pebble pup. I was a Druin Bulger. Bulger. I can't say boulder right for some reason today. But a big giant boulder. There you go. Now I said it. Boulder would have made more sense. But this does not look like a little pebble. Yet that's what they're saying it is. So doesn't look too bad. So how do we transform it? Just saying somehow get underneath there and pull out its head. Which is a bit tricky to pull out. Okay, we got it out. Definitely need some fingernails to pull its head out to get underneath there and get right in there. Next is just flip out the little feet. It easily flips out like that, and then that is it. They don't say anything to do with the tail, but this little sprout on the back is his tail and it does move, but they don't say anything about it. So I guess you want to flip out like that. And there is Slobberwot, which is supposed to be a Druin Pebble Pup. A little Druin Pebble Puppy. Yeah, now flipping this out and looking at it how it's a Wat, kind of reminds me of Wat Lords. What were Wat Lords? Well, I think they count after GoBots and they had like a crossover with GoBots. They're kind of like different Wats, like Fomelta, Nitrate, Silicon, Sandstone, all different types of haughty stones type of things. That's what Watt Lords were. They were Lords of Watts, I guess. Yeah, those Lords. Watt! Yeah! Watt Lords! Yeah! That's what this kind of reminds me of. A little bit when you flip out its feet and stuff. But, yeah. So don't forget to... Hold on. There we go. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.